Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your monthly reading for the month of April 2021 and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Alright, so before that, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, okay? And for those who have come from my Instagram account, a warm welcome to you all and welcome to the YouTube fam. So let's get started with the detailed version of your reading now. Okay, so the overall energy in your cards are the Lovers in reverse. I see there's lack of direction, lack of planning, or some kind of wrong plannings. Okay, wrong decision making has been made over here. Might be not able to take a decision, or whatever decision you have taken might be wrong. Okay, so there's a feeling there, you know that you have done something wrong, and that is why things might not be happening really good in your life at this moment. In the past energies, we have Nine of Cups in reverse, Knight of Swords in reverse, Knight of Swords and Two of Wands in reverse. Yeah, I see there are lack of there is a proper planning. There was some plannings which were done, but the dreams are shattered. Okay, those plannings are shattered, and your plan, because your plans didn't work out the way you wanted them to work out, and there was a lack of proper planning in this thing, whatever that was. It was, might be a long-term relationship, might be a long-term goal for which you have worked for, but there was improper planning over there. You didn't plan your goals. It was a short-term planning only, and you might have told many people about it. Might be because of that enthusiasm in you, might be because of that happiness which was coming towards you so fast, you couldn't just accept it and you just told everyone about that. So things went really upside down. In the present, we have Six of Swords in reverse, Ten of Swords and the Queen of Swords in reverse. Not able, so things are literally, all the swords energies are high. You are not sitting at home silently. It's like, oh my god, your mind is just muddled up with bad thoughts. I feel because of those past betrayals and endings, things, you are not able to move on. You are still holding yourself back, and the betrayals, the endings, all those things are, you are still in the past, or you are still just holding yourself. In the present, you are not working for yourself. If the decision was made wrong, I know you cannot change that decision, but at least you can think about something else. You can change your present, you can change your future, because if you will start working in your present, you can change your future. But in the month of April, there are energy changes. So we have the Chariot, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, and the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, isn't this wow? So what it is telling, that in the month of April, you might be doing something else, might be starting new job, new work, new business of yours, because the Queen of Pentacles is also here. So she is a businesswoman. So you are actually working on something. You are putting your thoughts, because you know, because of the Wheel of Fortune reverse, actually it is really tough for you to accept those bad energies, bad past, but you will start experiencing, you will start analyzing that things happen and you have to move on. Okay, life is just like water, you have to keep flowing. Okay, you have to just move on. You cannot just stick over there in the bad past energies, right? Let's see a detailed version of the reading now. Let's get into more details. What is it? What is it for my Sagittarius? Why the Lovers is there in reverse, the overall energy? Four of Pentacles, yes. The decision made by you were not right, and the problem is you are not able to let it go. Any decision, anything, whatever thing happened, you are not letting it go. You are just stuck. You have become very miser now. You are like, I am not going to move on. I will stick over there. Your energies are telling you are not ready to move on. Not at all. Mm-hmm. Let's see why the Nine of Cups is there in reverse. Knight of Cups. Okay, somebody over here might came into your life with a new plan, with something new to offer, and or new business, new lover. Somebody like because this is a cup of love which somebody is trying to give it to you. But since it is a knight, it didn't long forever. Okay, it was like a temporary relationship, a temporary planning for you, not forever. Okay, let's see, because I am seeing Knight of Cups with the Knight of Swords. Yeah, fast, coming so fast that I love you so much, I want to marry you only. These are those shattered dreams which somebody offered you, I feel. Why the Knight of Swords is here in the past energies? The Magician, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so I am only seeing knights in your past energy. There is no queen, no king, only temporary things. Okay, this person came really fast with the offer of love. This person actually felt that this person is loyal and this person is stable, he will stay, but it's a knight. They are just the promise breakers. Okay, that is what they do. The Magician, you felt that whatever you manifested for such a long time, like from the universe, that this is that person, this is that thing. Might be a job, might be a business as well. Okay, a long-term business you were planning from a long time, a business which you were planning, and you thought that this is the person who is offering you. Somebody just came and went. Two of Wands in reverse. Why is that here? The Knight of Wands. This was missing. I was just expecting. Alright, so I should show you now. Okay, all the four knights from the deck we have. Knight of Swords, Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands. Well, the Knight of Wands is here. This is the Playboy card. This is the Playboy person. He never stays. Okay, he never stays. So Sagittarius, if things went temporary in your life, they went temporary because they were meant to be temporary. I don't see any future with the past only. It is acceptable that there is no future with the same person anymore. If you feel that, yeah, that person was emotional because this is that romantic person. Yeah, Knight of Cups is romantic. Knight of Cups is like, I want to give you all the love of my life. I don't want to see any tear in your eye. It's like the lovey-dovey person. Okay, and you are like, oh wow, I cannot meet this kind of a person anywhere in my life. It's a feeling of that, trust me. Okay, let's see. Why in the present, why the Six Swords in reverse is here? Two of Pentacles. Well, you are holding back, you're not moving forward, you are trying to balance your life now. Might be in terms of finances as well. There is something short in finances because of all this Corona and COVID season. Things went really hard for you. So in terms of finances also you are struggling. In terms of love also you are struggling. Ten of Swords, why is it here? The Lovers. Yeah, so betrayal from a person whom you loved, and that is why the decision made by you was wrong. Okay, with the Lovers in reverse over here. So you feel that, you know that was a wrong decision made by you. Queen of Swords in reverse. Wow. Your thoughts are all muddled up. You are not able to sync your thoughts and your mind. So your thoughts and your heart. You are planning for your future again. This is something good. This is something, Three of Wands is some kind of a wait as well. Either you are waiting for that person again, If yes, stop waiting, please. Let's see why the Chariot is there in my future energies for my Sagittarius. The Emperor and Ace of Pentacles. In the coming month, this might be a person who is entering in your life. A person who is a businessman, or you are entering into some kind of a business in the month of April, because the Chariot is here. With the Chariot we have Emperor and the Ace of Pentacles, so it means that you are entering into some kind of a business, new job, new opportunity, something else from the past things. You are entering into something new, and at least you are giving it a try, at least. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Why the Wheel of Fortune is there in reverse? King of Cups. Justice, one more. The High Priestess, okay. Something strange is coming up in your reading, Sagittarius. Let me see. I feel that you are a karma believer. You know, with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Justice, you are a karma believer. You know, whatever you do, you will pay off karma, okay. You feel that things will happen. You didn't do anything wrong, you know that, and that is what the universe is for. You are waiting for things to happen by themselves, and that is good, and you are working on something else. So the things which shattered your dreams, and just, you know, there were betrayals in your life. People betrayed you, left you, ended relationships, ended things, whatever those things were. People were bad towards you, and you believe in karma. Things will happen according to you. You believe that. So universe is actually working on that thing. If you believe it, universe is working for it, and you are becoming a very different person. You are a motivator, I would say, self-motivator. You are a person who is working on yourself. You know, the High Priestess always knows that I will get justice, okay. With the High Priestess and Justice, she knows that she's going to get justice. Whatever people did wrong to her, she will get it right. With the King of Cups is here, so I feel that this is not your energy. This might be somebody else's energy, or these are your emotions which are becoming very beautiful now. You are becoming emotional. You are losing that. You are letting go of those bad negative energies from the past, and you are working for yourself. You are bringing that emotional side in you. And why the Queen of Pentacles is there in your future energies? Page of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. So yes, clarity is there. There is long-term bondings with somebody, like a partner or something. You might be learning new stuff, like going to college again, learning something new professionally. In terms of money, you are actually working on something new in this month of April. All right, so this is all from my side, my Sagittarius. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.